another job need to be done. So on the day one, this is what I have done. I need to get rid of this paper tree. So I already cut the secondary roots, because as I heard, this kind of trees, there is no primary roots. So today is the second day, so I need to cut more roots. So I'm gonna use this manual cutting saw, and then the cutting bolo. Alright, so let's start the job again. So this one already cut. See how much secondary roots already cut down. So I need to cut this. So let's start cutting from here. So already cut it down. So another roots here. This one need to be cut also. Yeah, it's done. Let's go to the other side. See, there's another one there. I think two more. This is the one I just cut before, and then the bottom I just cut this one 1 minute ago. So I'm now here at the back side, on the other side. So how big is this one? It's a big one. So we'll see. I'm gonna try again to use this manual cutting saw from here. So it's already cut it down. There is another small here. It's like a twin roots. So I need to cut this again. This one is already done. So I need to cut the other one. Alright, it's already done. So this one I already cut it down on the day one. That was yesterday. Actually I spend my time here like almost 3 hours to dig all around this paper tree, and this one also cut it down. And then I'm gonna find out what else. So I have to dig all over the bottom of this this paper tree to find out if there is no primary roots. Let's try this here. I have to find out. Need to find out. So I use my hands to grab the earth. It's a black soil. It's good for garden. So another one here. Oh. Okay, two small roots. So I need to use the hand saw again. From here. The next step, my nephew voluntarily offer his self to help me find out where are the other roots. So this is still organic, so we can use this for fertilizer on our vegetable garden. All right. Hello, Jason. Yan. Yung mga napinutol na roots kahapon at saka ngayong araw na ito, ayan o, may gagawin na rin yan na firewood, panggatong. Ibibilad ko na sa araw para matuyo na. Ayun, bumigay na. Wala nga primary roots. Ayun, so okay. So we're gonna pull out. Sana may gold. Sana may treasure dito. At tutulungan ko siya para mailabas namin. Alisin ko muna ito parang kamuting balinghoy, oh. Kailangan maibilad ko sa araw right away yung mga ugat.